What's up guys, it's your boy Irvin back in another video. Today we're going to be playing more of this game. Armor, yeah sure, why not? Okay, so now we can play as the white rat. Is that a rat or a mole? The headphones that I'm using is like voice canceling, so you guys can't hear me even though I talk in the mic. Let me show you guys. Wait. Can you guys hear me or not? Hungry rat. Okay. Wait, is there like a story thingy? Okay. Oh wait. Some elephant migration routes are littered with landmines. Clearing landmines is a slow and dangerous task. Of course, it's landmines. Unless you're a highly trained rat, a mine-sniffing rat, too light to trigger landmines and with a great sense of smell, these rats can clearly clear patches of land. Only the best are chosen. Hey wait, where'd that little round rat come from? Okay, oh, we're eating plant matter and termites. Okay, I'm eating termites. What is that thing? That huge thing over there. Looks like a spider and like a beetle. What is that thing? Wait, what is that thing that it was pushing? Looks like a ball of poop. Oh, maybe that's like a dung beetle. If you don't know what that is, they basically pick up poop of other animals and they roll it up to a ball. I don't know why they do that, but they do that. I'm gonna actually do that since you guys might not be able to hear me that much. Okay. Let me go like that, and I feel like I can eat, yeah. As soon as I was gonna say I can eat that thing, I was able to eat it. Wait, what was it? Again, I forgot. Okay, what is this? Oh, I can't eat him. Where'd the other one go? There's two, right? Wasn't there two of those things that I ate? Okay, well that guy can't hurt me, which is good. Eat the termites. Just eat the termites until I'm big enough to eat that guy. And let's go like that. I should be able to eat him, right? Can I not eat him? Where is it? I don't know. Yes, it is. It is a dung beetle. Ew, I just ate the dung beetle. And now I'm eating just balls of poop. Oh. Wait, what is that? That's like a giant rat. What is that thing? That looks like a landmine. Okay, so what is that rat? Is that a rat or is that just like... This looks like a landmine. Oh, what is that? Is that an ant or is that a spider? I think it's a spider. What kind of spider is that? I don't know, but he's eating all of these rats. They're probably not rats, but... And that's what I'll call them. No, don't get hit. Just don't get hit by the giant, whatever that is. Don't get hit by the giant spider. Those definitely look like landmines. I can't eat that guy yet? What? Okay, let me just eat the beetles. Eat more of those. Yes, I'm eating gerbil. What is a gerbil? Wait, let me look this up. Okay, a burrowing mouse-like rodent that is specially adapted to living in arid conditions found in Africa and Asia. I live in Asia. I haven't seen one of these. What does this guy look like? Oh, it's like a rat, but it's okay. That's a gerbil. No. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna do this off cam then. Okay, so I'm back here. Okay, I'm back at this side. Or this thing where I'm eating the dung beetles. Okay, but at least I know what a gerbil is. Never seen one of those in my life. And it says they mostly found in like Asia and Africa. I live in Asia. I've never seen any of those. I don't know what these things are, but they're getting eaten by a spider-looking thing. That can't be a beetle, right? How big am I, actually? 9 centimeters. Okay. Run. I almost got hit or bit. Okay, let me just eat all of these before the spiders eat them. Yes, I'm eating tarantulas. These are spiders. What is that thing? Okay, I'm eating grass tufts. Oh, I just ate a landmine. I just ate a bunch of landmines. Hopefully they don't explode. That would be bad. What is this thing, though? That kind of looks like a sloth, but... I don't know what that is. Eat the... Come on. Let me do that. Do that. Yes! I was eating a pangolin. Okay. And I got 1 star. Okay. Well, it's better than no stars. Wait, actually, I can play this level. Bad cop, blonde cop. What? Oh. Oh, what the? Why are there cops? This cop's just shooting me. No. He's just shooting me. Stop. No, I got hit. Oh. Oh, I can get them to shoot each other. Yes, I can eat the poodles. I can eat the poodles. Eat the poodle. Let's go. No. No, stop shooting me, police officers. Please. I can't get them to shoot each other. No. No, don't you dare go. Yes. Okay. Eat the poodle. Eat another poodle. The poodles are like 20 centimeters big, but once I eat them, I only become like 0.4 centimeters big. How is that possible? I don't know. The police don't even give me 1 centimeter in size. They don't even get me to 1 centimeter in size. They don't even increase the size by 1 centimeter, dude. What? These guys are like meters. And okay, I got 2 stars. That's fine. Okay, it's time. The elephant of surprise. Clear the minefield of 70 mines before the elephants step on them. Oh, my face cam is gone. So I gotta go like this. Oh no! The elephant is going in the path. Run. No, don't step on the landmines. No, I gotta eat 70 landmines. No, wait, one of them stepped on a landmine. Uh-oh, I can't have them stepping on landmines. Okay, I cleared the path. No, why did he step on the landmine? Dude, no. I just need to eat 70 landmines. Let's go. Wait, I think I accidentally tapped my like face cam or like the camera twice. That's why my face cam died, or maybe my face cam actually died. Stop tortoise time. Okay? Oh, what am I eating? Scorpions. Wait, actually, let's restart. I could use double coins and this. Let's do this. Maybe I'll get, since that doubles the money I get, right? Or does it triple it? I don't know, but let's just go ahead and eat scorpions. Oh, that's where they they follow a path? Oh, okay, I just gotta remember the path. Holy moly. Lots of scorpions are going. Wait, the turtle is in a shield. Oh. Wait, did I call the turtle shell a shield? What? What? Okay. The neighbors are pretty loud, to be honest. Can't stop them though. They're playing a game. I think they're playing Fortnite. Or they're playing Call of Duty. Yeah, they're probably playing Call of Duty, but their door is literally open, so I can just hear them screaming. I could literally... Okay, so, I'm making a video, too, which is not good. I'm making a video in, like, the outside part of our house, so we can hear... Yes, I can eat the grass. Eat the grass. Eat the grass. Don't even care about eating scorpions. Just eat the grass. Eat the turtles. Or tortoise. Eat the tortoises, turtles, whatever you want to call them. I thought you couldn't eat them when they're in the shell. But I guess you can eat them. Oh no! Okay. So close to getting a 2-star. Don't be a cheetah. Oh, there's gonna be cheetahs in here. What is this turtle thing? Turtle? What does this turtle thing do? Let's do this, I guess. Oh, everything's slower. Even the time is slower. Oh, but I am a little bit slower too. Just a little bit. Oh, I could eat the cheetahs. Wait, my mom's calling me. Okay. Now that that's done. No. I think that's recommended because the cheetahs are like insanely fast. Ostriches are fast too, but cheetahs are actually the fastest animal. And they could go up to speeds of 150 kilometers per hour. Yes, I'm eating the ostriches. Why do the ostriches sound like that? I don't know why. But, I guess let's just eat. Oh, I won. Oh, let's see. How many stars? Oh, 3 stars. I got a 3 stars. Okay, let's do like 2 more. What does the Bateared Fox say? I don't know. What am I eating? Elephant shrew? What is an elephant shrew? Wait, let me get this. Oh, there's a lot there. Okay. Oh no, I hit the fox. Wait, I think that's a bat-eared fox. Look at their ears, dude. They look like a bat-eared fox. That's what they look like. They look like a bat-eared fox. Wait, let me eat more of these. What is an elephant shrew? Is it like a... What is an elephant shrew? I don't know, but I think pretty soon I'm gonna be eating elephants. Oh, if you hit them in the tail, they don't hurt you. Okay. No, I hit him in the head. Okay. Never mind. I was gonna say, wait, is he like stuck? He's not moving. And then he did. I still can't eat these. Are these like the only things that I can eat? Just elephant shrew and old bat-eared foxes. I can eat them. And whatever they're trying to eat, I guess. Oh, there's a bunch there. There's more coming here. Should be able to eat that. Yeah. Termite mound. Oh, they're eating the termites? Okay. Okay, let's see. How many stars? Oh, so close to a 3-star. I almost got back-to-back 3 stars, which I think I actually did that in the octopus. Yeah, level 5 and 6, I got 3 stars, and also the final level. Here, did I? No. Almost, though. Almost. Let's do like 2 more. Hunting hunters. Okay. So there's gonna be poachers. The cheetah just ate the poacher. Okay. Well, why is there a lion? I'm just over here sitting here and eating poachers, and these dudes are like, dude, I can barely eat any of them. Let me eat the cheetah. Okay, I am officially the fastest animal since I ate a cheetah, even though he was running at full speed. And let me go over here. Just eat everything that I can eat. Eat the cheetahs. Eat lioness. Yes. Don't, lion, don't eat me. Okay, let's go like this. Eat the cheetah, eat another cheetah. Let me eat the cheetah. Okay. Dude, I'm so bad at avoiding these things. I don't even have 1,000 points. Yes, I can eat the lions. So, now I can just go like this and, dude, how is the poachers are like so small? They don't even give me 0.01 meters in size. How is that possible? Poacher, eat that. Just eat everything that I can eat. Oh, lion. Every time I see that colored arrow, I know there's a lion. Yes, eat the lion, eat that, eat everything. Oh, what can I can eat the tent. Yes, eat the tents, eat the tents, eat the tents. Eat more, eat that, eat the tent. Okay, How many stars did I get? At least 1 star. Okay? Okay, I got 1.5 stars. Okay. Okay. Wrapped down in Africa. Oh, I'm eating pangolins. Oh, I think this might be like the continuation of the first level. That dude just straight up missed. He just shot the... Wait, what? Why is that like a hippo or a rhino? Why is it so small? Why is the zebra that much bigger than a rhino? Is it a rhino though? Oh, he just stomped on the poacher. Okay, I gotta eat the poachers. No. Or the poachers. Yes, I can eat warthogs. Okay, haven't heard of that before, but oh, I'm eating the bushes. I thought that was a tree. I mean, we're only 1 meter big, so I guess I can't eat. That's an elephant. That is a huge elephant, dude. It's gotta be like 10 meters. I mean, elephants are big, but I don't think I've seen a 10... I don't think there are 10-meter elephants. Maybe that isn't a 10-meter elephant. I mean, right now I'm not even 2 meters big, and I'm that small compared to it. I'm that small. I can't even describe me being that big compared to this thing. I can't even say that since it's not the right thing. Grab that. No. Come on. Eat the zebras. Eat all of them. Eat the lion. Eat warthog. Looked like that elephant was trying to eat the zebra. Eat the lion, zebra, warthog, lion. No, I missed. Yes, I can eat the giraffes. Come out. Yes, I can eat the elephants. Oh, I can't eat the big ones? There's big and small elephants? I mean, that does make sense. Maybe the ones that the elephants that I can eat are like children elephants. Oh, what's this? Oh, I'm eating fence. Oh, no way! Wait, I'm eating this entire place. Eat the safari trucks, eat the trees, eat everything. Eat the elephants, eat more trees, No, I couldn't eat the giant elephant. It was way too fast. Eat all of the elephants. Eat the safari trucks. I'm eating airplanes. I'm eating planes. I'm eating planes, dude. Holy moly. I'm eating airplanes. Okay, eat all of that. Eat tree. Eat. Okay. I literally just ate an airplane. I literally just ate an airplane, dude. Let's do this last level. Be mine. This level, I assume there's gonna be a lot of landmines in here. Clear all the landmines. Yes. 36. Oh, do I just need to speedrun this? I think I do. I hate speed running levels. Okay, let's just make sure to get all of them. Okay, so that we can beat this level. Wait, actually, this might be a short level. Where are they? Should have probably used the arrow boost. Wait, where are they? There. Okay, I did it in 34 seconds. Time bonus was minus. Let's try to get a 3-star. Wait, no. Wait, actually, let's do this last level before. Oh. So I need to go like this all the way around. Oh wait, that's an ostrich head. That is not a turtle. That is an ostrich's head. Surely I'd know the difference of that, right? No, I still can't eat the warthogs. Oh, this is going terribly. Yes, I can eat warthogs. Oh, I could also eat the cheetahs. Don't be a cheetah, or else you're gonna be eaten by me. Oh. Okay, now I can eat these guys. Now I can eat more of these guys and do that. Come on, I still can't eat that. Yes! Yes, I can eat these things now. Now I can just sprint eat. Eat the zebra, eat ostriches, eat more zebras, eat ostrich. Can't eat the hippos and the elephants yet. I think that's a hippo. Yes, I can eat the giraffes. Still can't. Oh, that's a rhino. Okay. Well, there's a lot of things here. Do I have to eat everything and then the elephant? Yes, I can eat the elephant. Yes. Okay. Come on. No, I was so close. I'm gonna try this one again, and maybe I could get a good score, or at least a better one. You know what? Fine, I'm gonna use that. Okay, I did it in 28 seconds. Oh no! I was that close to a 3-star. You know what? At least I got a better score than my original score. Man, next episode I'm gonna be beating all of the. Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to, you don't have to, but yeah. Subscribe or I will be sad. And yeah, that's it for today's video.